Hi everyone, welcome to the Analyst. Today I'll show you one very unknown function of Excel that can be used to reduce efforts and that can be used to clean the data. Suppose if you have data where the data has some leading and trailing spaces and it have unnecessary spaces and you want to remove it. If it is 2-3 words you can remove it manually, but if you have thousands of rows, then deleting that extra spaces manually will be headache. So I'll tell you one simple function. By using that function you can remove any unnecessary spaces of your data. Just use function trim, and this trim function will remove any extra spaces. Check, you got a clean data. All the unnecessary spaces has been removed. I hope this will help you too. Also, you can use this function to reduce your efforts and to get clean data. Thanks for watching and keep watching these videos to get more information.